Hello guys, welcome back to another video about request coin. Guys, request token is going negative in the right now situation. A lot of people message me by Instagram. My Telegram is full of messages that what should we do in a right now situation. So I can't reply everyone, so that's why I decided to make a video for all of you guys. So keep watch this video complete, and if you are new here, so make sure to subscribe channel for more news and update videos. The currently latest price of request token in the market is about 0.5288 USD dollar. That is the currently price of request coin REQ token in the market, and negative 3.82% the price dump in the last 24 hours. So guys, that is the mistake of hold is that when they see small falls, so they decide to sell, guys. So guys, it's not possible for a coin, for a token that's only pump. Absolutely, they have to dump for a short time. That's how you can get profit, guys. If investor decide to sell, so investor get profit and the crypto becomes negative. So now people decide to sell, but still you can see here, that's good news. 74% trading volume is still positive. That means that now again trading volume becomes positive, and if trading volume becomes positive, that means that profit is coming soon. If trading volume becomes positive, so that means that very soon the price of a coin of a crypto will become positive, guys. So now request coin, everything is going negative. Don't worry guys, after 1 or 2 days you found again request coin in the huge profit. That is just due to the short-term investor decide to sell, guys. So just hold for a long time, never decide to sell, and be afraid from this kind of loss. Thanks for watching. Subscribe now for more update videos.